the Thermotron Folding and Bagger Machine. Thermotron are a company from Greece, founded in 1977. As you can see, it automatically folds the t-shirts, then drops it down into a bagger. We've got a conveyor on the back of this one, but you've got the option to be able to put a sealer after the bagging. The machine is fully modular, so you can create it however you like. The machine will fold as fast as you can feed it, approximately 500 to 600 pieces per hour. The Thermotron is a 3-phase unit with a pneumatic supply which can feed all other modular parts. The touchscreen on the Thermotron, you can adjust all different sizes and dimensions of the fold. So you can adjust the width, the length, 2 folds, single folds, and you can also program whether you want to put it in for polo shirts, t-shirts, tea towels.